everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful car, guys, finished in factory Hemi orange. It's got the black vinyl interior. Killer car, guys. I actually sold this car in 2016 when there's a bug on the side. If you see that, there's no crack or anything. We just got a little bug on this thing. I actually sold this car to a local gentleman in 2016. The car, when I bought it, had just undergone a complete, it's a bug, yeah, a complete rotisserie restoration. Beautiful car. It's body color underneath. I mean, just a gorgeous car. You can see it's got the rally wheels on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Just a killer car. Unfortunately, this gentleman had to sell it. He actually just put a 440 crate engine in it. Nice car though. Again, body color underneath, slick paint, nice interior. Car runs and drives excellent. Just a killer car, man. You can see it's got the hood striping, the B-pillar striping, chin spoilers, gull wing, really nicely done. I didn't see a whole lot to nitpick. There's a little, you can see a couple little places that were touched up on it, but chrome and stainless is really nice. They replaced that when the car was restored. All he did was take this car and just do nice little things to it. There's a little touch-up mark. I noticed, you're going to be able to see it, there's a little checking here in the paint. Again, I wouldn't mess with it. I'd leave it alone. But he just took this car and just did all the little detail things to it. And then, like I say, he just put a 440, 420 horse crate engine and 4 foot-pounds of torque. Stainless is nice. He's got a cap on that, but it's just to keep it nice, guys. The dash is in great shape. I'll lift it up and show it to you. I think he just did that to kind of protect it. Again, beautiful paint. I think he might have added that gull wing. I don't remember it having a gull wing on it. Again, you can see both front and rear bumpers are brand new. Again, in 2016, this was a nut and bolt rotisserie restored car. And there's 1,500 miles on it. I think he's put 1,500 total miles on it. There's only a couple miles, 100 miles on the engine since he got it done. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the rally wheels. You can see it's got the correct machine gun tips. Well, that's a good looking car. Again, it's all body color underneath. Front disc brakes. And you look in there in the inner fenders, it's all body color in there. Dual sport mirrors. And I do have all the paperwork for the engine, guys. This is it's a crate engine done by, I think it's called Carolina Machines, out of one of the Carolinas, but it's a 440. It has 423 horse, 504 foot-pounds of torque. Holley dual feed this is a Holley dual feed 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. You can see it's got the high flow water pump, uses stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. It has the matching number 727 Torquelfite trans in it. He said when he first put this engine in it, he couldn't keep it cool with the stock radiator. So this is a brand new Champion. He said car does not run over 180, 190. He said it stays nice and cool. It's got the Mopar Performance valve covers with the dual snorkel breather. There's your fender tag. And again, he detailed it up really nice underneath the hood here. Electronic ignition. This is, you can tell this is a Mopar guy, man. He's insulated all the fuel lines. You can tell a Mopar guy, man. They're used to the Mopars do what we call vapor lock. So he's making sure that ain't gonna happen. Pretty car, man. Again, dual sport mirrors. This is a remote mirror. You can see the door handles were all replaced. Interior's beautiful. I do have Roadrunner mats on the way for it. I know everybody's kind of complaining. They go, why do you always say that you have mats for? Why aren't they in it? Because nobody has any in stock. I have to have them made as we get the cars. Bucket seats, wood grain console, Tuff wheel. Headliners, again, this dash is all nice. He just put that on, just like I say, to protect it. 75,611, that's the original miles on the car. It's got about 1,500 on the rotisserie restoration, and like you said, just a couple hundred miles on the engine. That's a factory AM/FM radio, but it's been all converted. It's got custom sound system in it, aftermarket tach and gauges. It's dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end with the rear sway. Factory jack with spares in the trunk here. You can see it's all body color in here in the trunk. Actually, we got a little moisture in there. Original sales brochure. Here's your paperwork on your engine, and then, like I say, there's your original owner's manual. Nice car, man. I believe he added that going. I don't remember that being on there. Again, you look at the bottom, it's all body color, really nicely detailed. A little chip on the paint there. Really hits the road good too, man. Nice driving car. Again, I'll show you this. It's not split or anything like that. He just put it on there to keep it nice. Go ahead, fire it up, Jordy. A couple of marks on that door handle. Runs on pump gas. That's a pretty car, man. Yeah, you can go ahead and pin that down and all. Gauge, even the door buzzer works. You can hear that. Radio works. Jody will show you that in a second. So good old, again, brand new engine. Temp's good. Tach does work. This tach he's not using. I'll go back and show you. Backup lights work. Radio works. Yeah, it'll blow you out of here, man. Blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That car is tough right there, man. Have a great day, guys.